Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this session, I'm going to tell you about the free certification course for the SQL, which is provided by the Great Learning platform. If you want to improve your SQL skills or you are an absolute beginner to learn the SQL, then this course is for you. SQL is a database language which is used for fetching the data from the database and updating that data. So let's get started on how you can get a free certification for SQL from the Great Learning platform. On screen, you can see I have opened a great learning platform and in that we have a MySQL Basics course. This course is for beginners. Enrolling in this beginners course will help you develop functional knowledge of one of the relational database management systems, MySQL, and its usefulness with the practicality which will eventually improve your career's prospect. So if you want to learn the basics of a SQL, you can go ahead with this course. You can also get a certificate which you can add in your resume. There is total 4.46 star of rating for this course and it is for beginner level. And total duration of the course is 6.75 hours. And there are already 2.7 plus lakhs of learners which have taken this great learning course. After you complete the course, you will earn a certificate of a completion and this is a sample of a certificate. You can get a free course content, you can learn at your own pace, which means you can do the course anytime you want. Master in demand skills and tools, test your skills with the quizzes. So this certificate course also contains the quiz which you can solve. So what skills you will learn in this course? First, DBMS and RDBMS fundamentals, key and normalization, installing MySQL, command and operators, filtering and pattern matching. So you will also get to know how we can install a MySQL platform in your local computer. About this course will first introduce you to the database management system, that is a DBMS, with a few examples. So you will have the example of a DBMS system. Next, you will learn its various types and advantage followed by the relational database management system. Then we have a RDBMS. If I go down and what are the course outlines we have in this, first we have an introduction to database management system, that is a DBMS. Then what are the different types of a DBMS, and then in detail we will be checking what is a relational database management system, that is a RDBMS. After that we have a few key concepts of a relational database management system. Then we have a normalization technique. So we have like 1F, 2NF, 3NF and BCNF normalization techniques in a database management system. After that, what is a SQL and getting started with the MySQL. So MySQL is a database. If I go down, we can check what are the commands in MySQL, that is a types. After that, we have to filter the records in MySQL. So here we will be actually looking how we can filter out the data which is present in the MySQL. Then we have operators in MySQL, pattern matching in MySQL, and null values in MySQL. So these are the topics which you will learn in this basic course. So this is sufficient for the SQL basic. If I go down, you can see it is trusted by 1 crore plus learners globally. And if we go down, we have a rating which we have already seen 4.46. And after that, what our learners enjoyed the most, skills and tools. And if I go down, you see there are some 5-star rating for this course also. You can just go to the course, log in with your Gmail account and you can start the course, and once you complete the course you will get the certificate. There are, if I go down, there are some other courses also which are like free NoSQL courses. So these are the recommended courses. So this is how you can do a MySQL basics course with the certification from Great Learning platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.